Welcome to Lawson Woods PNW. This is a production of Lawson Woods PNW by Lawrence Thomas. Welcome. Well, as you can see here, I started my garden, my spring garden. I planted some leeks, I planted some beets, I planted some lettuce, I planted some, what else? All sorts of fun stuff. You name it, it's in here now. But I've got onions and garlic and lettuce and radishes, and everything was coming along so great. Even planted some asparagus again. And everything looks just gorgeous. I'm really excited about this spring, but sometimes we jump the gun, and well, I'm kind of wondering if all of this was a waste of time. We'll see. And just like that, spring turned back to winter. This was Friday morning, rather, of this week. It started snowing unexpectedly. We weren't expected to get any snow at all. And it was just beautiful. I had so much fun. I played out in the snow the entire day, between working and then after work. And at first I thought, well, maybe just a little bit. But as the day continued, it seemed to grow and grow and grow. And here you can see the stone circle with a lot more snow coming down here. Funny that this was Friday the 13th, looking at my beautiful 13 stones to represent the goddess and the cycles of the mother and Mother Earth, for that matter. And so I thought it was really beautiful to share this here too. Kind of near the end of the day, snow was still coming down. It was time to take Ziggy out to play in the snow. He is a mad, dashing machine, as you can see here. He has been having so much fun with the snow. My goodness, what a good time. But yeah, I wasn't going anywhere, as you could see on Friday. And in fact, I didn't really get to leave the house until yesterday after the afternoon, after a lot of this started to wear out. But what a gorgeous sight. And I decided to go down and check out the waterfront and just see how it looked down there. And I hadn't been down to the beach in a couple of weeks, so it's important to check on it, being that I do live on the Sound, and I'm on a very steep cliff, so I'm always out there checking, at least every few weeks, until the summertime, and that's when I love to kayak. Sometimes life can get really difficult and stressful and anxious, but when I take walks out here on the beach, it reminds me why I'm doing all of this. And so I can live here in this beautiful place and have my own 50 feet of waterfront property in beautiful Puget Sound. It's been my pleasure sharing this video with you today. If you've liked it, I would appreciate that you like, comment, or even subscribe if you're a first-time viewer here to Lawson Woods. A lot of upcoming projects that I'll be working on later this summer, and I hope you stick around to see the progress here on the property. As you can see, I have one tiny house and then a little cabin in the background that I've been slowly finishing up and working on. It's my office and guest quarters. Ciao! Thanks again for watching here in beautiful Hammersley Inlet in the Pacific Northwest. I'm Lawrence from LawsonWoodsPNW. It's always my pleasure to share the videos with you. Ciao, and see you soon. Bye.